Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we show you how to delete Google Watch history. We start by opening the Google app. After that, we click on the profile icon, and then once we have selected the account we want, we enter Google account. Next, we are going to go to the Data and Privacy category and then scroll and click on the YouTube History option. Next, within the YouTube History section, we will click on Manage History. After this, we will be able to see the history of YouTube videos that we have seen on Google. From here, you can delete all the videos at once according to a time range, or delete them using the symbol that appears. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.